Hi, how are everybody doing? So I'm Prashant. I started this small company called Signals, and like today's talk is about startups. So I would like to start with a small show of hands. How many of you are actually doing entrepreneurship? You're doing something of your own full time, and how many of you are actually planning to do, but one reason or another you're not able to take the leap? A lot more. Yeah. So I'm gonna tell you like how I did this. 6 months back, I was this guy on the left. I had a cushy job. I used to earn a decent salary. I was a state level math Olympiad player and stuff like that. I did all boring stuff, and and I attended 5 Picha Pujas. I was never invited to speak at any one of them. Suddenly, 6 months ago, I took a leap and I essentially started my own. And suddenly I was invited here, right? Of many other things which happened. So this thing always disturbs me about like starting up entrepreneurship and all. What actually happens? I'm the same person more or less 6 months back and now. What has changed? Why like that part of my life is like little less weightage and now I'm not a different person. Why people see me like a superhero? And this used to disturb me when I was in a job, you know. So I decided like because I'm an engineer, I decided I'll deconstruct this thing and figure out what's the DNA and what it takes to start up. So this why thing like essentially make me worried a lot when I was in job and I was not an entrepreneur. So I used to spend a lot of my time like deconstructing what exactly what the thing which makes an entrepreneur an entrepreneur. I used to be like this panda who used to pander a lot, and I used to deconstruct and think what is the lowest common denominator of all the people who make it vis-a-vis who don't. And so in my research or in my like all the idiosyncrasy, I came up with my own set of values which I think that all my heroes, all my successful entrepreneur consist, and which then I created a subset what I don't have a demonstrable track record of doing. I figure out that in my life I haven't demonstrated that I can learn a new skill on my own motivation. I haven't demonstrated that I have discipline, and I haven't demonstrated that for one reason or another, maybe the life doesn't give me the opportunity that I can persuade some people. So then I decided that okay, someday I'll cultivate these three properties and I'll take the leap. And yeah, I started working on a variety of experiments. The idea is I'm going to tell you the story, what I did to cultivate and convince myself that I have these three qualities. And so that when the life gives me the opportunity, I can take the leap. And this is a true story. Last year, it was my birthday. It's 24th of March. I was having a bad day because I just turned 35 and I was like, nothing good, you know. So I was like having another round of beer and stuff like that. So then and one of those drunk calls I made to my boss and I said, look, tomorrow morning I'm going to Bhutan. But this is one thing I know I want to do. So I took I drove down to airport, boarded a flight, and next thing I know I was in Bhutan. And yeah, and I planned a vacation for 10 days and I wanted to go to this place called Tiger's Nest Monastery. So I like roam around a couple of days and then finally I decided, okay, now the day. And on that very day, an event happened. Facebook acquired Instagram. So my vacation was kind of ruined because like an year back, we were working on an application very similar to Instagram and we decided that this will not scale. Will never work, and here's a company which was acquired for 1 billion. I was like kicking myself, you know where. So, so I decided, look, now it's time to decide and time to act. I have to learn something out of those three virtues. So I thought I'll learn the difficult thing, most difficult thing. For me, the most difficult thing was dancing. Let me tell you, whenever I took my dates for a dance club, there was never a second date. Okay, so I decided I learned dancing. I learned dancing, and finally, in 3 months, I actually performed at Talkatora in audience of 3,000 people. I thought I will cultivate quality discipline. I was like a very fat